Hello, my name is Maria Fernanda. Today I'm going to tell you about my vacation last summer. I wanted to go to Tomorrowland, so in the first place I saved a lot of money because it um, was very expensive. Then, then I bought the pass, and it took like 1 month, but it arrived. Then I parked my bags with all, all my things and got the car ready to travel. I traveled very early on Friday, Friday to Bogota and left the car and the house of a cousin. I took a taxi to the airport and boarded my airline. Then I flew to Brussels in was a 15 hours to flight. In Brussels, I I meet some friends and we went to board train in a couple of hours hours we were in the city of Bonn. We went very early and set up the tents and camp. Um, we enjoyed it, the event, dancing and camping with good music until we were exhausted. The we returned with a big smile and many um, photos.